Today's story is The Clever Answer. One day, Emperor Akbar and his wise minister Birbal were taking a walk in the royal garden. Akbar enjoyed asking Birbal difficult questions to test his wisdom. As they walked, Akbar suddenly asked, Birbal, can you tell me how many crows are in our kingdom? Birbal thought for a moment and then smiled. There are exactly 50,000 crows in the kingdom, Your Majesty, he said confidently. Akbar was surprised by the quick answer and asked, What if there are more crows than that? Birbal replied, If there are more, then some crows from neighboring kingdoms must have come to visit our kingdom. And what if there are fewer crows? Akbar asked. In that case, Birbal said with a grin, some of our crows must have gone to visit other kingdoms. Akbar laughed at Birbal's clever answer. He was once again impressed by Birbal's quick thinking and wisdom. So friend, the moral of the story is a quick wit and clever thinking can solve even the trickiest questions.